Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Amerex 06093 brass valve stem assembly. In this video, we'll provide visual and dimensional evidence of the item, and we'll look at the parts drawing that this comes out of. Okay, so some dimensional evidence of the item. Overall length, 2.614 overall length. Let's go with the length of the smooth portion alone. The smooth stem portion, 1.908. 1.908. Let's go with the length of the brass portion, 0.3, just 0.3. Okay. Diameter of that piece, 0.232. 0.232. Diameter of the stem, 0.187. 0.187. Distance from the edge to where the inserted O-ring starts, 0.696. 0.696 from where the ring starts to the tip. The outside diameter of our rubber O-ring, just for the sake of taking it, 0.598. 0.598. Okay. Now let's switch to the screen view where we can take a look at the part drawing. Okay, this is the item that we are here looking at, and the parts drawing is down here. We can click on that and pull it up. See a little bit closer for these different Amerex models where this valve stem is coming out of. Part number 10, obviously, 06093. All the parts that are listed here, they're all reasonably common. The pressure gauges are very common, the valve stems, the springs, the siphon tubes, replacement O-rings. We sell less of the lever handle assemblies only. Those seem to not get damaged as much as you might think. But in terms of when it comes to using the unit and maintaining the unit, a lever handle will get used a lot less than a valve stem and a spring will, as would an O-ring. The rivets for that material. Fill tubes are common, siphon tubes, the straps, and even the foot stands for them to stand in. We sell those every once in a while. Okay. Now, the link to the manufacturer's page within our site is here, and that's a handy link because that will allow you to review not only all of the Amerex products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog along with other encyclopedic reference documents that you see here, specific subcategory sections of the full catalog, areas of specialization, catalogs like that can be seen there as well. Let's finish up this video on camera. In conclusion, a valve stem is a very typical and common maintenance sort of item, and it can be viewed here. If you have any questions on the Amerex 06093 brass valve stem assembly for a variety of those model numbers that are listed in that parts diagram down below, or any other Amerex product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.